Now come to exercise 8.2. Say question number 1. Convert the given fractional numbers to percent. Say A part. A part. It is 1 upon 8. You have to convert it into percent. Multiply it by 100%. Simplify it. Divide it by 2. 4. 4 to the 8. And by 4. It is 25 for the 100. Or this can be written as 25 upon 2 percent. It can be written as 12.5%. This is your answer. Now B part. B part, it is 5 upon 4. You have to convert it into percent. It can be written as 5 upon 4 into 100%. Here simplify it. You can cancel the term. 4 1 and 4 25. This can be written as 25 into 5. It is 125%. This is your answer. Now come to C part. 3 upon 40. This can be written as 3 upon 40 into 100%. Here simplify it. We can cancel 10 by 10 by 2. 2 2 and 2 5 0. This can be written as 3 5 15 upon 2%, and in decimal this can be written as 7.5%. This is your answer. Now come to D part. It is 2 upon 7. This can be written as 2 upon 7 into 100%. This can be written as 200 upon 7%. Or in mixed fraction you can say 28 4 upon 7%. This is your answer. Now come to question number 2. Convert the given decimal fractions to percent. See A part. It is 0.65. This can be written as 0.65 into 100%. Here remove the decimal. This can be written as 65 upon 100 into 100%. Here you can cancel 100 by 100. We will get 65%. This is your answer. Now B part 2.1. This can be written as 2.1 into 100%. Here remove the decimal. This can be written as 21 upon 10 into 100%. Here you can cancel 0 by 0 and then multiply the remaining terms. 21 into 10, it is 210%. This is your answer. Then come to C part. It is 0.02. This can be written as 0.02 into 100%. Here remove the decimal. This can be written as 2 upon 100 into 100%. Here you can cancel 100 by 100. We will get 2%. This is your answer. Now come to D part. It is 12.35. This can be written as 12.35 into 100%. And this can be written as, here remove the decimal. We will get 1235 upon 100 into 100%. We can cancel 100 by 100. We will get 1235%. Now come to question number 3. Estimate what part of figure is colored and hence find percent which is colored. Say first part solution. First part, here part of figure colored. It is 1 upon 4. Therefore, in percentage, one upon 4 into 100%. Simplify it. 4 1 ja and 4 25 ja. That is 25%. This is your answer. Now second part. Part of figure colored. It is 3 upon 5. Therefore, in percentage, it is 3 upon 5 into 100%. You simplify it. 5 1 ja and 25 ja 100. Multiply it. 20 into 3, 60%. Now come to third part. Part of figure colored. It is 3 upon 8. Therefore, in percentage, it is 3 upon 8 into 100%. Cancel it by 4. 4 to the by 4. It is 25. Simplify it. 25 3 is 75 upon 2%, or convert it into decimal. You will get 37.5%. Now come to question number 4. Find A part 15% of 250. It is 15% means 15 upon 100 of means into 250. Solve this by 25. 25 4 ja 100. 25 10 ja 250. Again by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. 15 5 ja 75. It is 75 upon 2. That is 37.5. This is your answer. Now B part 1% of 1 hour. Here 1% means 1 upon 100 of means into 1 hour. Simplify it. You will get 1 upon 100 hour, or convert it into minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, this can be written as 1 upon 100 into 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Simplify it. 0 से 0 cancel by 2. 2 5 ja 2 3 ja. You will get 3 upon 5 minutes. If you want to convert it into seconds, then again multiply it by 60, because 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here 3 upon 5 into 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here you can cancel it. 5 1 ja. Here 12. 12 into 3. It is 36 seconds. Now come to C part. It is 20% of rupees 2500. Here 20% means 20 upon 100 of means into rupees 2500. Here you can cancel 20 by 20. You will get rupees is 500. This is your answer. Now come to D part. It is 75% of 1 kg. Here 75% means 75 upon 100 of means into 1 kg. Simplify it. Cancel the terms by 25. 25 3 ja. 25 4 ja. It is 3 upon 4 kg. Convert it into gram. Here 3 upon 4 into 1000 gram, because 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Here simplify it. Cancel the terms by 4. 4 1 ja, and here 25 4 ja 100. Here multiply it. 250 into 3. It is 750 gram. This is your answer.